Choose the correct options to complete these sentences. Exercise 1. Correct answer, A. I am reading a magazine. Exercise 2. Correct answer, B. She is making breakfast now. Exercise 3. Correct answer, D. They are playing in the backyard. Exercise 4. Correct answer, C. We are cleaning the kitchen. Exercise 5. Correct answer, B. He is writing an email. Exercise 6. Correct answer, B. You are watching TV right now. Exercise 7. Correct answer, A. It is raining outside. Exercise 8. Correct answer, A. I am studying math tonight. Exercise 9. Correct answer, C. She is talking on the phone. Exercise 10. Correct answer, D. They are listening to music. Exercise 11. Correct answer, C. We are cooking dinner together. Exercise 12. Correct answer, D. You are learning a new language. Exercise 13. Correct answer, D. He is driving to work. Exercise 14. Correct answer, B. I am typing a report. Exercise 15. Correct answer, D. She is painting a picture now. Exercise 16. Correct answer, B. We are planning a party. Exercise 17. Correct answer, B. They are fixing the bike. Exercise 18. Correct answer, C. He is running in the park. Exercise 19. Correct answer, A. I am opening the window. Exercise 20. Correct answer, A. You are carrying the groceries. Exercise 21. Correct answer, D. She is writing in her journal. Exercise 22. Correct answer, B. We are walking to the store. Exercise 23. Correct answer, D. They are building a treehouse. Exercise 24. Correct answer, B. He is reading the newspaper. Exercise 25. Correct answer, D. I am listening to the radio. Exercise 26. Correct answer, B. You are wearing a blue jacket. Exercise 27. Correct answer, C. She is traveling to Paris. Exercise 28. Correct answer, A. We are exploring the museum. Exercise 29. Correct answer, A. He is using a laptop. Exercise 30. Correct answer, D. They are eating lunch together.
Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update.